Hello everyone, I am here at Fujigaoka Station and now we are going to take the Linimo line bound for Yaksa. Right now I am on the Linimo line and now we are going to get off at Koen Nishi. I mean say Koen Nishi, so I'll just see you there. We are here at Koen Nishi Station and we are just walking towards IKEA with the Lolo and the Lola. So right now we are just going to go in IKEA and we have decided that we will go in and eat first. Right now, I am on the second floor of IKEA and there is also a Pokemon stamp rally and you might get a prize after when you complete everything. So, we're going to try and stamp all of them. So, let's just start what we're doing. So, this is my lunch that I'm eating right now and it's pretty yummy, so I just recommend getting this kind of thing when you go to IKEA because there's meatballs. So we are done eating and now we are just going to be walking around the store. So I'll just see you at our first destination. Right now we just went downstairs and this is the area before number 1. And there's also a stamp area, which I'll just show you in a few minutes, in a few seconds. Because actually down here, there is a Pokeball. Yeah. Ooh. I was able to do it. Our first stamp here. We have found another one again. What? Oh no, we skipped one. We have to go back. It's that way. We have to find the stamp. We have to find the stamp. So we are finished at IKEA and now going towards the Toyota Automobile Museum. But we didn't finish the Pokemon stamp rally. But anyways, we're going to be moving on. So I'll just see you at the Linimo line. Bye. Right now, I am on the bridge that connects Koen Nishi Station to IKEA. So we have finally arrived at Koen Nishi Station and the train just left, the train going to Yaksa, but we're taking the one that's going to Fujigaoka to get off at Gedaidori. We just got out of Gedaidori station and we are just walking towards the Toyota Automobile Museum. So I'll see you there. So the museum is just over there. So we are here at Toyota Automobile Museum and we are just going to go to the entrance. We're going into the automobile gallery, but this is the entrance and the ticket counter. The name of this old car is the Benz Velo. It says here 1894 Germany. this one looks like a truck or a train and a train combined, which yes, it is because it's a Yamabas steam car. This is President Roosevelt's car, and it has bulletproof glass. Next, we are going to go to the third floor, which is the cars that were made in 1950 to the present day. So right now we are just here in the Kurumakan. There's the main building, and then we're going to go to the cultural gallery. So I'll just see you there on the second floor. We are now going to the cultural gallery. We have been staying here for at least 2 hours now. So I have finished all of my stamps here in the Automobile Museum. So and this is also the end of my vlog. If you like this vlog, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Bye! See you in my next vlog.